In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix apps that are not compatible with your Android device. When we try to install an app, whether it's from the Play Store or from outside the Play Store, and a message appears saying that the app is not compatible with our device, there are usually two main reasons why this happens. First, the target SDK of the app is not compatible with the target SDK on your Android device. Second, it could also be because the API version of the APK does not match your device. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix incompatible APKs on Android, specifically for cases where the API version is different. So before we start, you need to install two apps. The first one is Mount Manager and the second one is Device Info. For Device Info, you can download it directly from the Play Store. As for Mount Manager, you can download it from the link in the video description. Now, the first step is to check which API your device supports. Open the Device Info app. Once it's open, go to the CPU tab. Here, the important part to look at is the supported API types. For example, on my device, it supports ARM6 for V8A, ARMEB V7A, and ARMEB. If the APK you want to install does not match any of these, then the APK will not be installed on your device. To check the API version of the APK, open the Mount Manager app. On the left side, go to the folder where your APK is stored, usually in the Download folder. Select the APK file, tap View, then tap Lib. Here, you can see the supported API type of the APK. In this case, it shows ARM v9. This API is not supported on my device, and that's why the APK cannot be installed. So the solution is to change the API version of the APK to match your device. To do that, go to the right panel in Mount Manager and find an app that is already installed on your device. For example, I'll select this one, tap View, then go to Lib. This shows the API version supported by your device. Now copy this by tapping and holding, then tap Add, check AutoSign, tap OK, and choose Don't Allow. After that, the API version will be automatically adjusted. Next, go back and open the incompatible app file again. Go to the File menu, open the Download folder, select the app and install it. Now let's test it, and as you can see, the APK is successfully installed. So that's how you fix an APK that cannot be installed on Android due to compatibility issues, specifically when the API version is different.